How to log out of the Bybit app 2024, sign out of Bybit app. Well, if you want to log out of the Bybit app, all you have to do is go ahead and then open up the Bybit application, and currently you can see that I'm currently logged into my account. So to log out, just tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and this is the kind of interface that you will see right here. If you tap the settings icon over here, you can see there is no logout button, because what we have to do is, instead of tapping the settings icon, we have to tap on our profile over here. So when we tap on our profile here, this is where you'll find the logout button. So you can just tap on the particular logout option there. It will ask you for a confirmation if you want to log out, and once done, you'll be successfully logged out or signed out of the Bybit application. This way you'll be able to log out of Bybit app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.